Hello friend, now we learn the helical sweep command. In a helical sweep, we can draw the thread on the bolt, spring, different pitch value. Okay, let's see this example with the help of the helical sweep command. So file, new, part, okay. Now first draw the thread on the bolt with the help of the helical sweep command. So first extrude, placement, define, front plane, sketch. Okay, now draw the one. Then press OK. Now draw the one another sketch above this surface. Okay, placement, define this surface, sketch. Let's see. Now we draw the thread on this surface. So first select the helical sweep. Okay. Thread has been cut, so select the cut option. This defines the attributes. Attributes constant variable means what? Pitch value is constant or a different variable. Okay. This define the right-handed or left-handed thread. Okay, done. So select the plane. Okay, default. So first select the reference. Okay. Now draw the first one center line around which the thread has been cut. Okay. Now draw the line up to which point thread has been cut. Okay, done. Now enter the pitch value. Okay. Now draw the section at this point. Okay. Okay. Then done. Now okay. Preview. Okay. Now we can see this thread has been cut. Okay. With the help of the helical sweep cut command. Okay, let's now we can draw the one spring with the help of the helical sweep protrusion. First one, attributes, constant. Okay, done. Select the plane, front plane. Okay, default. Okay, define the sweep profile. So first draw the center line and draw the one sweep profile. Okay, now draw the pitch value. Okay, now draw the one section at this point. Okay, small section. Okay. Now you can see this type of spring. Okay. Now we can change the attributes like a variable. Okay. Done. Enter the pitch value at the start trajectory. Okay. Start at the start point with. Now we can provide a end trajectory pitch value 35. Okay. This defines the symbol how we can change the pitch value. Okay. Done. Now we can press OK. Now you can see this. At this point our pitch value is 20. At the end point this is increasing up to the 35. Okay. With the help of the helical sweep, you can do the different thing. Okay. Thank you.